Hi, this is Soren Swift, and today we're going to San Diego Cars and Coffee. We're getting ready to meet up with a group of cars to drive down from Orange County. I'm hoping to get some good rolling shots. A rolling shot is different from a regular shot. You shoot it with a slow shutter, so the wheels are spinning and the background is moving. I really like how it makes it look because it makes it look really fast. My dad drives the car and I shoot out the window. It's really hard because it's really windy. Because of the slow shutter, it's easy to make the car blurry. So it's important to keep the camera still to make the car look sharp. So today I'm shooting with a Canon 5D4 with a 17-40 lens. I really like this lens because it's really wide.
Check out this RWB Porsche. So behind me is this really cool Super Trofeo Gallardo that is street legal.
There's a lot of cool cars here.
I'm the artist in MaxBoost. Soren, that's you? Wait, you shoot? That is awesome. Soren's Swift. Good stuff, man. So you like shooting? Obviously, right? What's your favorite? NSX?
Favorite car, yeah.
Oh, my man. You've been doing what? What do you do?
Photo shooting.
Yeah, look at his shirt. Take a look at that. Boom. And what's your favorite car?
Acura NSX.
That's what's up. There you go. Yeah, so check him out at, where are you at?
Soren Swift.
On Instagram, right?
Yes.
There you go.